For those who realize that fasting is damaging to the body but still wish to do it for religious or other reasons, it's important to note the ways in which the damage can be minimized. According to Dr. Raymond Peat, during stress or fasting, the loss of tissue protein can be minimized by supplementing the minerals potassium, sodium, magnesium, and calcium. A good way to get these minerals is to do a juice fast, including fruit and vegetable juices. Since the purpose of the breakdown of your body's tissue proteins during stress is to create glucose, one of the quickest ways to shut off and switch off this stress response is to consume glucose. And eating carbohydrates like fruit can protect you during fasting in another way. Dr. Raymond Peat writes, eating carbohydrates, especially fruits, can allow the liver to resume its production of T3.
Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.